Okay guys, Goldwing people, in this video I want to show you how to use your hill assist brake, meaning if you're on an incline, that way you can start going uphill on an incline without your bike rolling backwards. Now there's a little bit of a trick to this. It's not difficult. Shit, if I can do it, you can. So what we're going to do is you're going to grab your brake, squeeze it in once, then bring it back and squeeze it in hard. When you do that, that little light shows up. We're going to do it again. Press the brake, squeeze it in hard. See that one blinking? That's your hill assist right there. That means the brake's on. Now, that does not last for the entire time that you are stopped. Let me repeat that. It does not last for the entire time that you're stopped on an incline. What you're going to have to do is do that slightly before you're ready to go. The light turns green. Hit that really hard, that brake. Hit it really hard. I'm going to do it once. I'm at a standstill. I'm going to watch. I'm going to grab it and hit it real hard. Now that light turns on. That means I'm not going to go backwards or forwards. Now this works on an incline and also on a decline, like if your nose of your bike, you're going downhill instead of uphill. So once again, squeeze that handle once and squeeze it hard real quick, and that comes on. You're going to flash. Okay, once that flashes, you got about 3 seconds to go. All right, total is about 5 seconds maybe. Let's count them. Okay, I'm going to count it. I'm going to squeeze it hard. There it is. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 8, 9, probably about 8 seconds. That's all you're going to have, and that should be plenty for you to get started. Sorry for my counting. I've been out riding all day. Hope this video helps you. Any questions or concerns, go ahead and put them down in comments. And enjoy the wind, fellas and girls riding Goldwings. Take care.